Okay, so I want to show you some spectacular deals of the day here for Home Depot, and this is only good for today on December 2nd. And just as a reminder, I also uploaded that video yesterday on those appliance deals and how to score them up to 70% off, which is the same incredible, crazy appliance deal that they were running last year too at Home Depot. And if some of you missed out on that, you're going to want to watch my video that I uploaded yesterday on that as well. But anyway, here we are on today's deals. And just to show you a couple of decent kits right here, here's the DeWalt two-tool combo kit with the drill driver and the impact driver. And it looks like they're giving away a free Sawzall. So this total deal's about 55% off right here at $179. So here's a close-up of this kit right here. So this is a good way to get a buy one get one free tool deal. Now this one, as you can see, time is ticking away, folks. So it's only got until midnight Pacific time this evening. But this deal you can see here is a total of about 55% off. Here's a kit that I like that you'll probably want to get your hands on. This right here is a Milwaukee Shockwave carbide hammer drill bit set. 10 pieces in there, and this is meant for drilling into concrete, so you have all your bits in one little kit here instead of all separated. And the big bonus here is it goes all the way up to 1/2 inch, that elusive 1/2 inch drill bit that I always complain is missing out of every kit. For those of you with the Milwaukee M12 platform, here is a kit here for those of you working on your cars. So this one here is the right angle wrench, as well as the air compressor right here. And then as we come down here, I think this is probably one incredible score right here. It's the DeWalt 3 amp hour batteries for $39 a piece. These are 67% off. And so they are limiting 5 per order. And remember, these are all today only, people. So if you wanted to scoop up a few batteries but didn't feel like spending a couple of $100s on a big kit and getting the big buy one get one free tool deals, this is a great way to acquire a few more DeWalt batteries right here. And here's the close-up of it. And of course, these will withstand the rigorous job site applications. And I'm always looking, of course, to score a few extra batteries, because, you know, if you can get a few of these at $39, you can throw them in all of your different toolboxes and everything, right? So you can always make sure you have one. I even try to keep one in my trunk too, just in case I'm caught somewhere and I have a dead battery. You just never know. So these are the times that you want to come in and scoop up something like these. And again, just a reminder that here you've got, so the Black Friday deals will end. Now, I don't know if this one is just for today only. It looks like it is, because it says right here, see, daily deal ends in 17 hours, 39 minutes. So even though the Black Friday clock is ticking down, most of the other deals that end on the 3rd, including the appliance deals that I mentioned. But this one here ends today on December 2nd, as well as all of these other deals of the day that I'm showing you in this video. And then here, people are always asking me about the barrel jigsaw, the barrel grip, and when are we going to see a deal on that? Well, here's your chance, folks, because this one's 46% off, down to $249, and you're getting a 5 amp hour and a 4 amp hour battery in this kit right here. So this deal here I showed you on my video probably about a week or two ago for the best of the Home Depot gift zone deals. So you remember I showed you this kit here. This is the atomic drill kit, and this one is $159 in store that has the battery and the charger in the bag. But here they're throwing in now a 5 amp hour battery on this deal and asking you to only pay $20 more. So that's a pretty good score right there. So you're essentially getting a 5 amp hour battery for $20 more. And then those of you looking for nailer deals, you have the 18 gauge nailer along with the 23 gauge pin nailer from DeWalt. This one's 30% off. Now, I wanted to show you some of the deals here with the snowblowers, because a lot of people always ask about those. So you're typically going to see about 20% off when they put the snowblowers on sale. So you have these on here too. And so now as we look at some of these snowblower deals, you pretty much have some as low as $429 here from like the Ryobi. So here's a brushless, cordless one. So this one's battery operated. So here's a brushless, cordless deal from Ryobi. This one's battery operated here. So this one comes with 2 batteries and 2 chargers and the kit and everything. So this one here is 20% off. And then right next to it, of course, you have the Club Cadets. Now these are gas powered with electric start snowblowers. So if you were looking to start your own business, man, this would be a great way to get involved there by grabbing yourself one of these, and you could end up doing all of your neighbors on your street if you wanted. And so remember, this deal is only good until the end of today. So you can see how the time is ticking on these. So you can get them online and either have them delivered, as you see here, or you could have them shipped to your local store. And there's a couple of different models here that you can score. So you can choose your poison here. You have your 272 cc's or the 420 cc's, or you can even get this smaller single stage gas snowblower right here. So that's for all of our friends that live up north. And then I wanted to show you all of the deals they're doing on the Husky systems, the garage systems. So they're all 30% off. So people are asking me all year long, when are we going to see deals on these? Well, this is when they do them. They do them usually as a one-day deal like you're seeing today. So I'm going to show you this system here. Now, I've ordered a system for about 156-inch long system, and I'll be doing a video on that install when I get that one in and ready. So here's one here that's 128 inches that you can get for $2,200. So this one's $960 off, 30% discount right here on this Husky. This is a 6-piece. This should be adequate for most people's garage. So I find that usually the 128 inch or the 156 inch is usually the ones that most people can fit in their garages. So here's one here. And again, I'll put links to all of these down below. And also as part of the Home Depot special buy of the day today, you're seeing deals on a lot of the more higher end, longer professional carts, the ones that are deeper. So these are the mobile workbenches that with the drawers that are like big, heavy duty, and they're usually 7-8 feet long. That's what these are. And then the Milwaukee, the big fancy Milwaukee 61 inch is also on sale, a couple of $100 off. And this comes with the big metal red pegboard. Now, in earlier years on Black Friday, I remember seeing the much smaller, I think it was the 48-inch version of this cart without the red pegboard, had gone on sale in the $500 range. But this is the 61-inch. And of course, this one comes with the big red metal pegboard, so I'll show you all of this. I'll put the links to these in there as well, and you'll see them pop up on the screen with the timestamps. Okay. Yeah, so then as you can see when you scroll down, there's many other designs that you can get from Husky, so you just pretty much pick the size that you want, but all of them appear to be about 30% off. There's all different storage cabinets that you can get, some all the way down to just $244. And then I will put a link to the video I uploaded yesterday on those appliances. I'll put that down below, and I will also put the link to that video here in the thumbnails as you're seeing right here. Make sure you check into that because you only have one more day until December 3rd to get up to 70% off on those appliance suites. We're talking $5,000 suites that are as low as $1,800. So good luck with that, happy shopping, and we'll see you on the next one.